Here we have, an Android device, and if we look at the device, we'll see that we have all our stuff coming up, just like on the PC. And if we use our messages, we can also turn this on and off, via our Wi-Fi network, via any network, right? Once it's connected, we'll be able to use it. So you could use your phone and press it on and off. So we have here browser control on our Android device. So when you run this on our server, this is the final result that we get, this nice chart. So with this we can turn our Arduino on, we can turn our Arduino off, right, in real time. As fast as you could click these, it'll work.